Hello, my name is Jennifer Rodriguez, and in this video, I'm going to share with you my point of view according to the contributions of my college. Jesus Franco. According to the definition that Jesus gave to his metaphor, I think he was able to interpret it very well, and I believe as that's the partner that if we have a good and clear conscience, we will always live happily as with the joy of life Christmas. Based on the experience, the metaphor, I think he was a good example to explain it, and that he made the best decision at the time not to bring the idea to his friend, not doing evil to people, even if it is easy for you, makes you live happily and with a clear conscience without feeling that you owe anything to anyone. Three pieces of advice I will give my partner Jesus: to continue doing good even when people hurts you, that if you have bad influence, advise them not to do evil because it can bring bad consequence. That he always be firm in his decision, considering his values, just and he did with his friends, and that will bring him peace of mind. The lesson that experience of my partner Jesus leaves me is that we must maintain our ethics and not harm anyone, even if we are surrounded by people who do have bad intentions. Xiomara Falla. According to the definition of the metaphor that my colleague Xiomara made, from my point of view, I do not understand the relationship between the howling of a hunting dog with bad company and infidelity. Although I'm aware that each one has different perspectives, and may I'm confused, since I think that the howl of the dog refers to the crying and complaints of people when they suffers a lot that they keep crying. Regarding my partner's experience and relating it to her definition number two of the chosen metaphor, I think it fits well, and that it's important to know how to select people before allowing them to enter our lives, since there are people with bad intentions and who do not think what saying as us, um, and that can affect us. Three pieces of advice that I give my college based on her reflection are: do not hold grudges in your hair, that she works on her security so that no one influence her so easily and she can cut things on time. Never give up, and when you feel bad, trust in God. The lesson that my partner's experience leaves me with is that we should not trust anyone or let ourselves be influenced by bad friends, and that we should trust our parents and tell them about our problems so that they support us. Thank you very much.